I have money on the line. I have to cook this food, Mario.
Well, how much money?
Well, it's $500 on the line. I'm about to be rich.
All right, Chef Pee-Pee, what if I gave you $500 to babysit Jeffy?
Wait. Another $500? Wait, that's $1,000! Oh my God, $1,000!
So could you do it? Could you do it?
Yeah. Go and bring the little brat in the kitchen. Look, I'll watch him while I cook. He can help me cook. Yeah.
All right, I'll tell him to come in here. Thank you so much.
Hurry up, Mario. Damn. $1,000. Oh my God.
60 seconds. Jeffy, go to the kitchen and help Chef Pee-Pee.
What?
Yeah, I said so, Jeffy.
$500? I'm about to be rich. Oh, let me put this pizza in the oven.
What doing?
Oh, hey, Jeffy. You're being a good boy, right? Oh, I see you got your cat piano. Well, I'm going to keep on cooking, okay? You just be a good boy and play with your piano. Really, nigga? Okay, Jeffy, that's enough. You can stop playing with your toy, okay? How about you help me cook in the kitchen?
Help you cook in the kitchen?
Yeah. I'm about to fry the fish, so how about you get the flour for me?
Oh, flour? Oh, I can do that.
Yeah. Get the flour for me, Jeffy. Good boy.
Hey, I got your flour.
Oh, thanks, Jeffy. You idiot. I'm not talking an actual flour. I'm talking about the white powdery stuff.
Oh, cocaine.
What? No. I'm talking about in the container. It's in the pantry. Just go and get it, please.
Okay.
Idiot.
Which one is it? Chef Pee-Pee Chuck, which one of these is the flour?
The one that says flour on it, Jeffy.
I don't see one that says flour. There's one that says floor.
What?
Yeah, it says floor.
Bring it out, Jeffy.
You want me to throw it on the floor?
What?
Yeah, do you want me to throw it on the floor?
No, just throw it to me, Jeffy. Throw it to me.
All right.
Oh, such an idiot.
Okay, I got it.
Oh, okay, Jeffy. Bring it over here to me. I have to cook with it, okay?
Whoops.
Jeffy, what the hell? Why would you sit there and make a big mess like that on the floor?
Cause it's called floor.
It's not called flour, Jeffy. It's flour. You're supposed to cook with it.
No, this is a flour.
Oh my God, he's such a fucking idiot. Look, something simple, Jeffy. How about you just give me some milk out of the refrigerator, okay?
The milk?
Yes, the milk.
Okay, I got it.
God, finally something.
Milk. Oh, milk. Here's the milk.
All right, Jeffy, just sit it down over there. Let me out, Jeffy! Why'd you make a mess like that? Just throw in the milk.
Sorry, it slipped.
Oh, Jeffy, look at this mess. Now we gotta go buy some more milk. Get in the car. Excuse me, sir, where's the milk?
In the back.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Hey.
Oh, where's the milk? Where's the milk?
I found the milk, Chef Pee-Pee.
Oh, great, Jeffy. Just hurry up and get the milk, okay?
Which one do you want?
The one with the red label.
This one?
No, that's blue, Jeffy.
Oh, Chef Pee-Pee, check.
What? No, sir. Jeffy! Why'd you make a mess in the store?
Whoops, it slipped.
Ah! Okay, sir, this is all.
Why is he doing that?
Because it feels good on my pee-pee.
Look, he spilled the milk carton on the back aisle. Could you check it out for me?
Show me, where is it?
Okay, it's back here. It's right here, sir.
Get out.
Jeffy, why would you make a mess like that in the store?
It just keeps slipping.
It is not slipping, you're throwing it.
Well, what do you want me to help with next?
Nothing, Jeffy, nothing. Look, I got this from the store for you.
Oh, what is that? Is it a dick jacket?
What? No, it's a balloon, you idiot. You blow in it.
Oh, so I give it a blowjob.
Sure, whatever. Look, just go and have fun, okay?
Well, Mr. Chef Pee-Pee, I don't know how to do it.
Well, figure it out. I'm not gonna help you, Jeffy. Look, I gotta cook. $500. Okay, the pizza's in the oven and the flour's on the fish. Oh, I can smell that money in my face right now. Ooh, let me spread this flour out real quick.
Flash flood emergency. The National Weather Service in League City has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Colorado County and southeastern Texas, Warren County and southeastern Texas, southeastern Grimes County. especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
Okay, students, we are going to watch one of my motorsport reportages. It is in German, but with English subtitles. Hey, Gianna, did you just fart?
Yes.
That's it. Get your naughty bottom to the principal's office.
What? God.
Man, she's such a naughty girl.
Gianna, what is it now this time?
I farted in class.
Oh my goodness. Gianna, how dare you fart in Mr. Prella's class? That's it. You are suspended for a month. Also, I am going to call your parents to pick you up.
Is that true? Gianna farted in the classroom?
It is, Mr. and Mrs. Johnson.
That's it. She is so grounded when we get back home. No.